Hello and welcome back. This is Stevie Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today I'm looking at a token that's part of a series of coins and tokens to celebrate the Royal British Legion and their work in 2022. This is an introductory token that cost me £2.99. On the back you can see that it is the RBL, Royal British Legion, and it's in the shape of a Flanders poppy. This is the first coin, as I say, first of a series that's coming out this year. I believe they're all going to be released up until the Remembrance Sunday, which of course is the nearest Sunday to the 11th of November. And it celebrates Armistice Day, which was the 11th of the 11th, 1918, at 11 AM in the morning that the armistice came into being. I actually like this. Although it's a token and not a coin, I think it shows everything that the RBL is representative of. The poppy is their famous symbol. I do like this. I decided not to get the rest of the set as I'm a disabled person on disability, so it didn't make sense to get them all. As I say, I do like this one and I'm glad to have it in the collection, and what I will hope to do. What do you think of this coin or this token? I love it. Let me know in the comments what you think. This is just a quick review. If you've enjoyed it, please give me the thumbs up, and also if you haven't yet done so, please think about subscribing. I am looking to continue my subscription levels for next year. I hope very much to have you along and enjoying it. In the meantime, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get those coins for the price that you want to pay. Finally, I do 4 videos a week as a minimum, so therefore hopefully you'll find something that you want to watch over the next few days. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, thank you for watching, and until we meet up again, from me, bye bye. Ta-ra now.